Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And today we are discussing GLM 4.5V, that is the vision model. So, if you remember, a few days back, GLM has released GLM 4.5 that broke the internet and was the best open source model yet. Now they have released a vision version of GLM 4.5, and this looks to be the best open source vision model now. So in this short video, I will be explaining you the key features of the new model and how to access it. What is GLM 4.5V? It's the most capable open source vision language model available so far. It is beating out all the existing models and it is 106 billion parameters with mixture of experts. 12 billion parameters are active for each expert. It's quite huge also in size. State of the art performance, that's for sure, and it is developed by Zifu AI, the same behind GLM 4.5, and it is completely open sourced also. What are the key features? Visual reasoning, sophisticated reasoning over visual content. It can solve complex tasks, including diagrams, charts, document, etc. And it uses something interesting called as reinforcement learning with curriculum sampling across multiple domains for superior performance. We will be discussing this RLCS separately in some video. Under the hood, how does the architecture looks like? It is again VIT based vision transformer. It uses a multi-layered perceptron adapter, massive language decoder for reasoning, and mixture of expert architecture is present. What is the training approach? They curated data about 10 billion carefully curated image text pairs, diverse content. They use chain of thoughts for thinking and RLCS, reinforcement learning with curriculum sampling across multiple domains. What are the benchmarks? It is able to beat out every model. Yes, you heard it right, on every benchmark. So if you look at the normalized score, it's the highest compared to Quen 2.5 VL72B, Lava Next also, and it is behind the Claude 3 Opus and GPT-4V that are not open sourced. So on general VQA, maths and STEM, OCR charts, video coding, everywhere it is topping on open source models. Real world capabilities, I think many. Document understanding, video analysis, GUI interactions, charts and data analysis, PDF processing, code generation, everything it can do. Now they have released two modes also, that is thinking versus non-thinking mode. So in the first one, thinking mode, it goes with step-by-step problem solving, shows work with thinking tags, high accuracy and idle for STEM coding analysis. Non-thinking is obviously faster, concise response, but may go a little wrong also. It can be used for more factual problems activated with no think tag. So you need to provide a tag no think. Hence, it will stop thinking and faster responses. Why it matters? It matters a lot because a new standard for open source vision models focuses on reasoning and understanding. Practical applications are there and democratizes access to advanced vision models also. Now, before we wrap it up, this is the Huggingface page for the model GLM 4.5V. They have also provided a technical report, and all the information is here. You can test out the model on this particular inference provided by Novita, and model weights are also present on Hugging Face. You can directly load it. It's a quite huge model, as you can see, about 46 partitions of 5 GB each. It's a huge model, so you might not be able to run it locally, but I think so someone would be quite soon releasing the quant versions also. Here are the benchmarks. They have given the codes how to use it, and yeah, this is the best open source vision model for now, and you can try it out for free on Hugging Face. Thank you so much.